In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use code hints and IntelliSense in Dreamweaver. Let's get started by opening Dreamweaver. This is your gateway to creating, editing, and managing your web development projects. Dreamweaver is a powerful tool that streamlines the coding process, making it easier and more efficient. Once Dreamweaver is open, you'll want to open your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript file. These are the building blocks of any web page. By working directly with these files, you gain precise control over your website's functionality and appearance. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for using code hints effectively. Now, let's navigate to the Edit menu, click on Edit, and then select Preferences. This is where Dreamweaver's customization options reside. By accessing Preferences, you can tailor Dreamweaver to fit your unique workflow and coding style. From the Preferences menu, choose Code Hints. Code hints are an essential feature for developers. They provide you with instant suggestions and auto-completions as you type. This step is vital because it greatly enhances coding speed and accuracy. Be sure that code hints are turned on. This is important because enabling code hints ensures you receive those helpful suggestions while typing. It can save you a lot of time and reduce errors by providing quick access to coding options. With code hints activated, click OK. This confirms your settings and makes sure your changes are saved. Now you're ready to take advantage of Dreamweaver's intelligent coding assistance. Next, switch to Code View. Code View is where you can see and edit the raw code of your file. It's the place where all the magic happens, allowing you to make precise changes to your project. At this point, start typing a tag, property, or function. For instance, you might type div. Dreamweaver will recognize your input and offer suggestions in a drop-down list. This feature helps you quickly find the right tag or function without having to remember every detail. Dreamweaver will show suggestions as you type. These suggestions appear based on what you've started typing, providing you with options to choose from. This is immensely helpful because it reduces the need to memorize every tag or function, thereby speeding up your development process. Remember, using code hints and IntelliSense in Dreamweaver not only makes your coding more efficient, but also helps you avoid mistakes. It's like having a knowledgeable assistant by your side, ready to offer guidance as you work on your projects. With all these steps completed, you're now equipped to harness the full power of Dreamweaver's code hints. This capability will streamline your workflow, making your coding sessions more productive and less error-prone. So go ahead and explore the endless possibilities Dreamweaver has to offer. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Keep practicing, and you'll soon become a master at using Dreamweaver's code hints and IntelliSense. Until next time, happy coding!